Hey everyone, I'm Carl with CenturionPro. Today I'm so excited to be doing an unboxing video of the one that started it all, the original CenturionPro trimmer. This trimming machine is perfect for medium-sized operations and has proven itself time and time again. It is one of the most sought-after trimming machines on the planet. Composed of anodized aluminum and stainless steel, this machine is as rugged as it is powerful. Let's get to it.
To assemble the hopper, use the provided set of screws, washers, and nuts. You'll notice that they came in a separate bag attached to the hopper's manual. Use a screw to hold the legs of the side frame. Then, secure the screw by placing a washer and tightening with the nut. Repeat that process for the second frame. Make sure that the rods are facing inwards on the front of the frame. Use the 10mm wrench from the toolkit provided to assemble the hopper. When placing the mesh bag, make sure the opening faces the front of the hopper. Finish the assembly of the hopper by placing the rod's top cover and rubber feet. The wheels and nuts for the blower come in a separate bag to avoid confusion. Start by putting the blower on the side where the impeller is and make sure it is steady. Screw the 4 wheels onto the blower, then tighten the wheels with the nuts. To assemble the belt cover, you'll need 4 washers and 4 screws. Start by placing a washer on the first screw and place it on the upper hole to hold the belt cover in. Repeat the same process with the bearing covers and the 2 sets of screws and washers. Finally, you'll need to place the tumbler inside the trimmer. Now, install the upper frame and tighten the 4 screws. Finish your installation by sliding the plastic top cover back. The triple bag Kief and trim collection system comes inside 3 different labeled bags. The inner black mesh bag is labeled D. Place it inside the white filter bag labeled C. Once that's done, grab the end of the assembled bag and pull it inside the outer polyester bag labeled 3HP. Now that the bags are ready to go, grab the triple bag system, making sure you have a firm hold on all 3 bags' collars. Slide the larger hose clamp onto the collars. Then, place the triple bag system onto the front of the blower and tighten it with the hose clamp. Now, we're going to attach your hose to the machine. Make sure that you place the loosened hose clamp on the hose before starting. Now you can place it on the trimmer's skirt. Then, attach the hose to the diverter and tighten it with the hose clamp, making sure it's well secured. Finish your installation by sliding the diverter onto the side of the blower. Bring the hopper as close as possible to the trimmer. Then, slightly pull up the trimmer and feed the tumbler inside the hopper's opening.
We just covered the unboxing and assembly of the CenturionPro original model trimmer. It's important to go onto our website now and register your warranty within 30 days of purchase. If you have any questions related to unboxing or assembly of your original trimmer that we didn't cover in this video, be sure to reach out to us at techsupport@cprosolutions.com. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for other great videos to help streamline your operation and make the most of your trimmer purchase. In our next video, we're going to do an overview of your assembled trimmer, including its key components and electrical requirements. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching and happy harvest.